Looking for a rolling pin? Our kitchen appliance experts bought and tested the top 7 rolling pin available in 2021 and put them through a rigorous side-by-side comparison to find the very best. Each model was subjected to a punishing quality of tests for whipping, mixing, and kneading. Our recommendations are based on our extensive hands-on testing and can help you find the perfect rolling pin for your needs and budget. I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. Starting at number 7 on our list, we have the Joseph adjustable rolling pin. You can adjust this incredibly versatile rolling pin to fit just about any baking project. This rolling pin from Joseph is one of the most versatile, handy rolling pins you'll find. With a set of removable discs that create 4 different measurements of dough thickness, this rolling pin can be used to create thin crust pizzas, delicious tarts and pastries, and perfectly even cookies, just to name a few. The rolling pin itself is made of solid beechwood. The removable discs are plastic. The entire rolling pin is easy to use, easy to clean, and durable enough for everyday use. You can also remove the entire disc and screw to use it as a plain, uniform wooden rolling pin. Versatile rolling pin for all types of baked goods, not just pies or cookies. Perfect weight for uniform baking. Conveniently, the plastic rings are etched with measurements. The rolling pin is embossed with the company's name, so when you roll out the dough, you'll see the word Joseph imprinted on it. You can press it and easily roll this out, though. Check out the description for more information about this product and the latest price. At number 6 on our list, we have the Farberware Classic Wood Rolling Pin. This no-frills hardwood style pin works just as well as it did in your grandmother's time. Sure, there's a time and place for fancy kitchen gadgets and costly contraptions, but other times, simplicity is the ultimate sophistication. Those looking for a reliable, old-fashioned wooden rolling pin have a friend in this one from Farberware. The folks at Farberware have long upheld the company's reputation as a manufacturer of high-quality cookware, and they certainly didn't skimp on this piece. If you're tickled by the idea of rolling out dough, pie crusts, and cookies the way your grandmother did, here's your ticket. At number 5 on our list, we have the Nasnaioll Nonstick Silicone Rolling Pin. If silicone kitchen implements aren't a part of your baking arsenal yet, this affordable rolling pin has your name all over it. Have you noticed the ubiquity of silicone kitchenware recently? There are a few reasons for its sudden leap in popularity when it comes to all things cooking. Thanks to its non-stick properties and the smoothness of its texture, silicone is incredibly easy to clean and wash, whether you do it by hand or in the dishwasher's top rack. That non-stick feature also means you don't need to constantly rub the pin or sprinkle the dough with flour to ensure they don't stick together. On top of that, this pin's silicone construction makes it stain and odor resistant, and it doesn't transfer flavors, fats, or smells. Best of all, it's supremely affordable, so you'll be able to nab all of these features without breaking the bank. At number 4 on our list, we have the Fox Run Polished Marble Rolling Pin. Elegant, heavy, and made of gorgeous marble, this rolling pin is as useful as it is beautiful. This rolling pin is almost too gorgeous to use. With a 100% marble body and elegant, smooth wooden handles, this rolling pin doesn't just look good, it's also a baker's best-kept secret. Ask any pastry chef, and they'll tell you that marble rolling pins are in a league of their own. Marble stays cool much longer, resulting in dough that does not stick to its surface. This specific marble rolling pin is perfectly sized and weighted, yet it rolls easily, which helps to create perfectly rolled dough. Although it's a bit more pricey than other rolling pins on the market, it's well worth the cost. At number 3 on our list, we have the Muso Beechwood Rolling Pin. At-home pizza cooks love the minimalistic design of this dowel-style dough rolling pin. You don't need a master pizzaiolo to tell you that, if you want to make a proper pizza, you need the proper tools. While most of the pizza's flavor comes from the freshness of its ingredients and the way it's cooked, it also depends upon the dough's preparation. This dowel-style pin from Muso is admired by artisans and amateurs alike for one reason: its simplicity. Long, strong, and made of one solid piece of wood, this one ensures that you have complete control over the thickness and shape of your pizza dough. At number 2 on our list, we have the stainless steel Professional Tapered French Rolling Pin. The Ultra Cuisine Professional French Rolling Pin has a slightly tapered feel. For a rolling pin that is simple to clean and one that food won't stick to easily, try the Ultra Cuisine Professional French Rolling Pin. The design is 15.753 of stainless steel with a slightly tapered feel. The design itself lets you feel where the dough is uneven, as opposed to pins with handles that can't. You can chill the rolling pin to make sure the dough doesn't warm up too quickly. It won't absorb colors or odors, which makes it more hygienic to use on your doughs. Use it to roll out fondant, pasta, pizza, or any type of homemade dough. And finally, at number 2 on our list, we have the K-Basics adjustable rolling pin. If you are a baker or you simply like eating baked goods daily, you can make your favorite goods every day without wearing out this rolling pin. This rolling pin is made of sturdy wooden material that does not dent or break easily. Its thickness rings are also made of tough materials that are built to last. Whether you're making cookies, pies, pizza crusts, pastry, tarts, pasta or chapati, the thickness and size of your dough matters. To get the absolute best results from baking, you need to ensure that your dough is rolled to perfection, and K-Basics adjustable rolling pin makes it super convenient to roll out the dough of pizzas, cookies and pie crust to a uniform thickness. Check out the description for more information about this product and the latest price. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.